and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this beautiful crochet granny square with this flower motif inside, and this is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3.5 millimeters hook, and we will start our work with a magic ring. We will first chain 1, then we will make this loop a bit longer because we will make a puff stitch, and for this we will make 3 loops and 3 yarn overs. So we'll start now with a yarn over, the first one. Go into the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through and make the first loop. And again 2 more times, yarn over for the second time now, and make the second loop, yarn over and make the third loop here. Now we will grab the yarn and pull it through the first loops until this last stitch or loop on the hook, and like this. And now we will grab the yarn and pull it through these 2 loops, and then we will chain 1. And this will be our repeat for this first round. So we have here a puff stitch and a chain 1. Let's do this together a few more times. So we will yarn over 1 time, the first time, make 1 loop, 2 and 3. Grab the yarn, pull it through these 6 loops. There are 3 long loops and 3 yarn overs, in total 6 loops. Pull them through all 6 except this last one. Grab the yarn again and pull through these 2 remaining loops. And again chain 1. And we have completed our second repeat. Let's do one more together. So 1, 2 and 3. Pull through the first loops, the first 6, and chain 1. And we will continue to make this repeat 5 more times. So we have in total 8 repeats of these puff stitches and 1 chain. I have completed all my repeats. There are 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can now close the ring and join the work. For this we will go with our hook from the back of the work into this first stitch. It is a bit tight. It is the first one. And we slip stitch this last stitch. We will chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut the yarn since we will join the second color. with our second color, we will first make a slip knot. And we can start our second round from any of these spaces between two puff stitches. And we will start by making in this space first one puff stitch in the same way. So we will first yarn over, we will place the finger like this in order to keep both loops on our hook, and make the first loop. So 1, 2, 3. Grab the yarn, pull through 6 loops, the first 6, grab the yarn, pull through the remaining 2. Chain 1, and in the same space we will make a second puff stitch in the same way. 1, 2, and 3. Grab, pull through the first 6 and through the remaining 2. And here we will chain 2. 1, 2. And this will be our repeat for this second round. So we will continue to make in the next space 2 puff stitches separated by 1 chain. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and the second one, 1, 2, and 3. And here we will chain 2, 1, 2. And here we have completed the second repeat. So in between 2 puff stitches we will always make 2 puff stitches separated by 1 chain, and each of these sets of 2 puff stitches will be separated by 2 chains. And we will continue to work in this way 6 more times, and we will meet here at the end. I am now at the end of this round, and we should have now 16 puff stitches, since we have increased with 1 puff stitch in each space. And it is time now to join the work, and we will go with our hook into the second stitch. So not this one, the second one from the back. And slip stitch this last stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work. And we can cut the yarn and join the next color. We can also make a knot here to secure, and we will hide this on the back of our work while we will make the third round. With our third color we will first make a slip knot, and we can start from any chain 2 space that we have. I will start here, and we will start by making 3 double crochets. The first one we will make it like this. We will yarn over, we will place the finger in this way again in order to keep both loops on our hook, and we will go into this chain 2 space. Make sure it's not a chain 1 space, so chain 2, and make 1 double crochet. we will grab the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, and again through the remaining 2. This is our first double crochet. We will make 2 more. So 1, 2, and 3. We will chain 2, 1, 2, and we will make 3 more double crochets in this same space. 1, 2, and 3. And as you can see, this is our first corner of the square for this third round. Next, we will skip the chain 1 space here between the next 2 puff stitches, and we will work in the next chain 2 space. But first we will chain 1, and here we will make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And this will be our repeat for this third round, plus 1 chain here at the end. Let's do this together one more time. So in the next chain 2 space we will make the second corner, and we will skip this chain 1 space, and here we will make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, and in the same space 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And here we have completed our second corner of the square. Chain 1 and go into the next chain 2 space, skip the chain 1, and here we will work 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and chain 1 again. And this completes our second repeat for this third round. We will continue to make 2 more repeats of these, and by the end of this round we should have 4 corners and the square shape will begin to show. And we will meet here at the end of this round. I am now at the end of this third round, and we will join the work now. Don't forget to chain 1 here at the end, and we will do it in the same way. We will go with our hook from the back of the work into the second stitch and slip stitch this last stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut the yarn now. And join the next color. Again, I will make a knot here to secure the work. With our last color, we will first make a slip knot, and we will start working on this last round from any of the corners. So from any of the chain 2 spaces, I will start here, and we will make the corner in the same way as we did on our previous round. So we will first make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets in the same corner space. And we have completed our first corner for this round. We will chain 1 next, and we will go in the chain 1 space, and here we will make a set of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 again, and in the next chain 1 space another set of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 again, and this will be our repeat for this last round. So for the corners we will make 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and for the sides of the square we will work 2 sets of 3 double crochets, and each of these sets will be separated by 1 chain. And we will do this repeat 3 more times, and we will meet here at the end of this round. I am now at the end of this last round. I have to chain 1 more, and we can now close the work and join it in the round. And for this we have to first cut the yarn, and we will join it in this way. We will go with our hook into the second stitch from the back of the work, grab this yarn and pull it through, and then from the back of the work through the back loop of this last stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through. This way we have a nice and even edge for our square. And this is our final project. If you want, you can make this square bigger, and for this you have to continue to work as we did on this last round. So for the corners, work 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and for the sides we will work in these chain 1 spaces a set of 3 double crochets, and each of these sets will be separated by 1 chain. And this is our final project. This is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!